Hello, my darlings. Welcome back to our channel where we share tips and tricks to keep you healthy and strong. Today, I'm going to talk about something that's absolutely essential for keeping our legs strong and healthy as we age. Whether you're young or old, maintaining leg strength is crucial for mobility and overall well-being. Yes, you guessed it, vitamins. These tiny powerhouses can make a huge difference in your leg strength and overall health. So let's dive into the top 6 must-have vitamins for stronger legs. First up, vitamin D. This vitamin is often called the sunshine vitamin because our body produces it when exposed to sunlight. Our body needs it to absorb calcium, which is crucial for bone health. Calcium is the building block of our bones, and without vitamin D, our body can't absorb it efficiently. Without enough vitamin D, our bones can become thin and brittle, leading to conditions like osteoporosis. So, make sure you're getting enough sunlight or consider taking a supplement, especially during the winter months when sunlight is scarce. Next, we have vitamin C. This vitamin is a powerhouse for your immune system, but did you know it also plays a vital role in leg health? This vitamin is not just for boosting your immune system, it also helps in the production of collagen. Collagen is a protein that provides structure to your skin, bones, and connective tissues. Collagen keeps our joints flexible and strong, which is essential for maintaining mobility. Without enough collagen, our joints can become stiff and painful. Now, let's talk about vitamin K. This often overlooked vitamin is crucial for bone health. It plays a critical role in bone health by helping our body utilize calcium effectively. Without vitamin K, calcium can't do its job properly. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are excellent sources of vitamin K. Including these in your diet can help ensure you get enough of this vital nutrient. All right, moving on to vitamin B12. This vitamin is particularly important for nerve health and energy production. It's particularly important for nerve health. It helps maintain and repair the myelin sheath, which protects our nerves and ensures smooth communication between our brain and muscles. Without enough vitamin B12, you might experience muscle weakness and fatigue. Next up, vitamin E. Known for its antioxidant properties, vitamin E helps protect our muscles from damage. It neutralizes free radicals that can harm muscle cells. It also improves blood circulation, which is essential for muscle performance and recovery. Good blood flow ensures that your muscles get the oxygen and nutrients they need. Last but not least, let's talk about magnesium. Technically a mineral, but worth mentioning here because of its importance. Magnesium plays a vital role in muscle function. It helps in muscle contraction and relaxation, reducing the risk of cramps and spasms. Magnesium is also involved in energy production, making it essential for anyone who exercises regularly. It helps in muscle contraction and relaxation, reducing the risk of cramps and spasms. So, if you often experience muscle cramps, you might want to check your magnesium levels. So there you have it. The 6 must-have vitamins for stronger legs. Incorporating these vitamins into your daily routine can make a significant difference in your leg strength and overall health. Remember, a balanced diet is key to getting these nutrients naturally. While supplements can help, it's always best to get your vitamins from food sources whenever possible. And always consult with your doctor before starting any new supplement regimen. They can provide personalized advice based on your specific health needs. Stay healthy and keep those legs strong. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this information helpful and that it inspires you to take better care of your leg health. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more health tips. Take care and see you in the next video.